Good day, my name is Damien McHugh and I'm the Head of Marketing at Momentum Health Solutions. Choosing the right medical aid is a crucial decision that requires careful consideration. Let's walk through a quick step-by-step guide to help you navigate the process and find a medical aid scheme that aligns with your unique healthcare needs and your financial situation. Step 1. Start by assessing your own healthcare needs. Consider your current health status, any conditions or pre-existing conditions you may have, and the healthcare services you anticipate needing into the future. This self-reflection will guide you towards a plan that provides the right level of cover. So, in pockets, what hospitalization cover do you need? What level of day-to-day cover do you need? What level of medication, chronic medication do you need? Often, if you just think of those 3 pockets, you'll be able to choose the right level of cover for you. Step 2. Explore the different medical aid scheme plans that are available in the medical aid that you are choosing. Each medical aid offers a different level of cover or different options, if you like, with different levels of cover at a different price. Assess the benefits and the exclusions and limitations of each one of those plans to find which one aligns with your healthcare requirements and the budget. Step 3. Check the network of healthcare providers. Ensure that the medical aid has a robust network of doctors. It's no good saying, I can give you a network of doctors and it's going to cost you 100 Rand, and that network of doctors is 500 kilometers away from where you live. That makes no sense. So check where the network of doctors or specialists or hospitals and clinics are in your area and make sure that you have access to them. Step 4. Evaluate the costs involved. Consider not just the monthly contribution you're paying, but also the co-payments or the deductibles and any other out-of-pocket expenses that may be appropriate on the plan that you've selected. Find a balance between affordability and comprehensive cover to ensure that you can access the healthcare you need without additional financial strain. We often find people choosing just the cheapest level of cover. And then what happens is you just end up paying for a whole lot of money or benefits out of your pocket later on in the year. So make sure you get the balance between affordability and the comprehensive level of cover that you require right. Step 5. Look into the additional benefits and extras. Some medical aids offer wellness programs or preventative screening benefits or discounts on certain health-related expenditure. These can add significant value to your overall healthcare experience and again often save you money. Step 6. Assess the quality of customer service and support. A responsive and helpful customer service team is essential for addressing any concerns or questions you may have throughout your membership. And also look at those digital servicing capabilities as well. In conclusion, choosing the right medical aid requires a thoughtful approach. It's not just purely a budget component. Assess your healthcare needs, compare the options, consider the network of providers, evaluate the costs, explore additional benefits, and make sure that the customer service suits your particular need. By following these steps, you can make an informed decision that prioritizes both your health and financial well-being.